don't think I'm sad.
You're not sad. You just want to be above a little bit more.
I really need to get better at vlogging. I suck at this.
You don't.
Yeah, I need to spot focus. Thank you. I'm also thankful that my job now, which is Monday through Friday.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
I love that I work Monday through Friday and I don't have to work on the weekends. Like, I kid you not, I really do. It's like, jeez, it's like thank you, God. Like, thank you, Jesus, thank you for everything. Because I can go to church on Sunday.
Now, come on
through here. come on through here, Lord. I can go to church on Sunday, and not only I can go to church on Sunday, I can kick it on Friday, get drunk, and wake up on Saturday and do it again. What? Yes. like for real. Like, I can get drunk on Friday again, cure myself Saturday morning, and then get again on Saturday night. I'm good. So yeah, listen, this Monday through Friday, working from home. Amen.
Honey, when she called me with that, she was like, I just want to tell you that your schedule has been set Monday through Friday from 8 to 5. I was like, are you serious?
What? Make you wanna dance.
That's why I feel so bad when I feel so bad because right now I think I'm just sad. I don't think I'm sad.
You're not sad. You just want to be above a little bit more. You want to be a bum again. You want to be a bum for a little bit longer.
Yes.
But it's like, no. God's like, no. Come on. You wanted this job? Here, I gave it to you. Let's get it. Let's get this money. Let's get this money. Get up. Let's do this.
Let's be blessed in this.
Let's be blessed. Thank you. Let's be blessed. You wanted this job? Get your ass up. Let's get this job done.
I prayed and I cried and I was angry and God blessed me. And I'm like, okay, God, thank you for the blessing.
Now you sad? No. God is like, you done sat here and cried for I don't know how long. If you don't get your whole ass up and get this money, I am not playing with you today. What you not gonna do is that. I bet you that was gonna not. Get up. And hold on, wait. What time you gotta get up?
Since I'll be at home, I plan on going about 7:30.
Okay,
some coffee, put some foundation on, some eyebrows.
Still do the regular, the normal. Still do the same thing. Get cute and sit in the living room. Hate 77. This highway is atrocious. And then people on this side of the highway act like they don't know how to merge over. It's called a merge, dumbass. Put your signal on. Thank you. It's like, let's all be great out here. Learn. Like, I know all of y'all didn't buy y'all license. I know we all earned our license. Let's act like it now. Come on.
It's like I earned mine. I had a parallel park for mine.
I ain't gonna lie. I had to kind of pay for mine. Because, like, I've had a race car issue my entire life. So, I don't know how to drive slow. My father never taught me that. There are a lot of speeding tickets.
I mean, more than 5. More than 10?
It wasn't more than 10, but let's just say my speeding limits were so bad to where I racked up probably $1,500 in speeding tickets. I only think I got 2 thrown out, which still left me at a good $1,300. So listen, we are masterpieces that are unfinished.
Say it.
Like masterpieces, unfinished masterpieces. We are trying.
Child, put a focus on the word trying. Every day I wake up, I said, Lord, I'm gonna do it.
Every day I thank God. I wake up, I thank Him, I pray, and I tell Him, Lord, I'm gonna do better. And then it be that one person that just come in and fuck my life up, and I ain't doing it. And then I just go off. People be like, like my mother would be like, I thought you told the Lord you was gonna do that.
We're gonna try tomorrow.
Like, I'm not doing better today. I don't want to do better no more. He just pissed me off.
We tried, it didn't work.
And we tried. And I did not quite succeed, okay?
Okay.
Just give it a couple months. She'll have some pizzazz.
I need pizzazz in my life. I'm so fucking boring.
Like, I'm so corny.
I should.
You are not.
I'm corny.
Not all the time. Okay.
Damn.
Told you I'm transparent. Okay, maybe.
We just re-met today.
Okay, I don't know. We done after a long, what, 16, 17,
Yeah.
18, 19. Okay, so it's been 4 years.
4 years.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie. The reason why we didn't even fall out. We actually never started. And the reason probably why we never started, I'm gonna say it was me.
No,
because I was at that part of my life, I was like busy. Like when I say I was busy, I was a full-time manager at Lane Bryant. And I just went from one thing to the next. And my life was just hectic. So honestly, I just couldn't fucking keep up. I was just, and friends that I like, people that I would like and that I would meet, and new friends that I wanted to hang out with, they would just fall by the wayside because life. And I'm so glad that God actually brought her back around, cause shit, I don't have no friends now. Well, I mean, she's now my one of my actually realest friends right now.
I love her so much.
Like, because I don't let people in. Like, I don't let people into my space. I don't let them into my circle. So when I actually do find somebody that I do want to let in, it's for a reason.
Yeah. It
is for a reason. I personally believe that God brings people into my life for a reason. Some people come in for a season, but
come on now.
A lot of people come into my life for a reason. And I think at this point, I just need a real friend now. Because I ain't gonna lie, some of my other friends, they just not shit.
Plus size friend.
I think everybody needs a plus size friend. I feel like everybody needs a fat friend. Like, especially a fat bitch with confidence. They the realest bitch. I got a whole bunch of confidence. I don't want shit that you got. I want what I have, but I really don't want shit that you got.
Okay.
I'm straight off of that.
So by the grace of God, we found a parking spot. Look how cute Uptown Charlotte is. I really wanted to live uptown. But then I asked myself, I want to pay uptown prices.
Listen, if we do it together,
we could make it.
We could do it together, for real. That's not bad. When I was living in, because when we was living in Dilworth, we was renting, we didn't buy it. Shit was 25.
25?
I was asking myself, how the fuck was I doing it? And you know what, when I thought about it, it was him. He was the reason why I was doing it. Because I knew I couldn't be doing it by myself.
Dilworth.
Dilworth.
I like Dilworth, but damn.
Shit. When we thought about buying that condo, I was like, oh no.
How much was it?
Just for the condo?
Yeah.
Itself? I think, what was it? It was 200,000? And I said, oh baby, let's go buy a house.
At that fucked up. At that point, let's just go buy a house.
At this point, let's go buy a house.
Don't you think we're moving too soon? I love to hear you when you complain about your best friend, how she's so late.
This is so hot. So we ordered avocado fries. This is boom boom sauce. Is this ranch?
Yes.
Ranch. Of course, we gotta get water. And then these are called berry something new. It's vodka, mixed berries, and ginger beer. In other words, y'all, we about to get fucked up. So we'll see you in a bit. The view is so cute. Our server's over there. I'm trying to flirt with him if he's straight. You think he cute?
Yeah.
Oh, why? He's short.
He's short. I got a thing for tall dudes, and he's not it. And then I got a thing for dudes with straight teeth. And listen, I don't think nobody's teeth could be straighter than
oh my god. Let's try. You want to try this at the same time? Wait, do you want to look at the menu first and then try these?
No, let's try this first.
Okay. Bottoms up, y'all.
Right.
Bottoms up.
They are good.
I have a bad memory.
It's okay. It is okay. That was so funny. I was like,
Just throw me away.
Now.
Throw me away.
Like, that is not the name of that place. I'm gonna need you to stop playing with me.
I want to get our server on camera so that way y'all can judge for yourselves. But I don't want to be awkward.
Just do it.
Just do it.
I can't with you.
Alright. When he comes back, I'm going to see if I can get him on camera.
Yeah, just be like,
Spin it over. I got to make it look natural.
but I gotta make it look natural.
Why I hold a big ass camera in his face like this?
And bring me out a side of ranch. I'll do the mac and cheese since she wanted it and she didn't get it.
Damn, I forgot that fast.
You did, but it's okay. I got it for you. See,
I'm nasty boo boo.
I got you. I'm just no, that's it.
Thank you.
I am fucking done for, okay? There's no coming back for me. That is no coming back for me if you see that, okay? Keep it, but there's no coming back for me if you see it.
I tried to get his face on camera.
Did you?
I tried, but I remember he has the fucking face mask on, and I'm like,
really matter.
yeah.
Ew.
This pandemic is fucking me up, and I don't like it.
You be wanting to get people's face, and all you can see is their eyes. And it's like, what am I supposed to go off? You got pretty eyes?
Some guy tried to holler at me, was like, I bet you got a cute smile. I was like, no, my teeth are jacked up actually. Yo, I don't, what's this called again? Strawberry Fan Bam?
Bam. You keep fucking the name. It's called Wham Bam Strawberry Ma'am.
I don't know what's in it.
And I don't know what's in it, but it's a mule, so it has ginger beer in it. But we're gonna see how it tastes.
You like it?
Oh, bitch, I'm fucking.
Is it better? Is it better? Cause they got a sweet in the back.
It does right back here.
Right in the back.
Right back there. We like it more.
So we're currently walking the streets of Charlotte. We're both kind of tipsy.
Completely. I'm not gonna lie about it.
I don't know where we're going.
I'm not unfaithful, but my eyes wonder.
Here's the thing, I can't physically cheat, but I can emotionally cheat. That's my thing. Like, if you treat me that wrong, I can emotionally cheat on you.
Me too.
But I can't physically do it, yeah.
But I can emotionally cheat. My eyes can cheat.
Yeah. Oh, there's that restaurant I want to go to.
Oh, yes.
Bulgogi.
Bulgogi box.
What? That's my problem. I have no filter.
But jeez, it's like
I need to
she didn't mean it, ma'am. Okay, well she need to keep her fucking in my. Hold on, wait, bitch. When we talk about my best friend like that, you can catch all these fans, baby.
I didn't mean to say hey to your man.
I just told you she ain't mean it and she was sorry. Don't call her that her fucking name. Let her live her best life. You can just say okay and keep it moving. Now, if you want to fight, let's do it.
Please don't. I'm a Christian woman.
I'm with the shit every day, all day.
All day, every day. All day, every day.
It feels so nice out.
Doesn't it though? It should have been like this earlier.
It should have. Because we would have stayed at the mall.
Y'all, so listen, I didn't vlog earlier, but we were at the mall. What's it called? Tanger Outlet?
Yeah.
No, Charlotte Premium Outlet.
Yeah.
Baby, it was hot.
It was so hot.
I couldn't even vlog because it was so hot.
I said no, and let's go eat because we was on our bad girl thing. So we was like, nah, I'd rather eat.
Okay, bro.
So I said okay.
Shit, my friend's talking.
Like, you know, you have
Good in yourself.
So Ruby, you talking to me?
This Caucasian male I used to speak with told me about this place.
What, Jen's?
Yeah.
Or Jenny's? Whatever. Jenny's.
Oh, it smells good.
Dude,
It smells like cookies and brownie batter. I'm sorry, boo. I'm like,
I'm walking kind of sideways too, so I don't care.
oh, listen, I'm a little tipsy
She's
right
like,
now.
I love your top. And I'm like, thank you. She's not,
I didn't mean
her
it.
mom's not here. We've been drinking since 12.
Don't you think we're moving too soon? I love to hear you when you complain about your best friend, how she's so late. And as you're talking, I start thinking, all the details start to sink in. But I don't care about the right now. Spend the summer in this beach house. 'Cause I will try to play my part. My lies memorized in my heart. I keep losing to a moment where I'm with you, I just can't focus. I love to hear your crazy theories about conspiracies on TV. I know the truth and it's so simple. Blame it all on stupid.
Shit, though.
I like that song.
Oh, I'm replaying it. I play that shit at least 3 times in a row.
And I keep living out of my head. Just forgive me for my silence.
I should.
'Cause I will try to play my part. My lies memorized in my heart. 'Cause I
Look at the cutest dog in the whole entire world. Look at the cutest dog in the whole entire world.
Down. Down.
Good job.
Boy, can you shake? Nope. Shake.
Good job.
Good job. You're such a good boy. You're such a good boy.
I'm so
There's
obsessed.
nothing in my head.
Bye, Shadow.
Say bye-bye. Say bye, people. Say bye-bye. Say, I just want to be loved. Like, I don't care. I just want to be loved.